Hello and welcome. My name is Craig Guymon. In this section of the video, I'd like to expound upon how to use Binalyze Air to save data to evidence repositories and incorporate cloud platforms. While in any area of the Binalyze Air platform, you have the ability to go to Settings, whether from endpoints, cases, or dashboard. Under Settings, I have the ability to come in and choose cloud platforms as well as evidence repositories. You can see I've got 4 different SMB shares set up here as evidence repositories. You can also set up additional ones using SFTP, FTPS, and Amazon S3, as well as Azure blobs. It's very easy. You'll simply give it a name. Once you've given it a name, you'll put in the SAS URL or the corresponding credentials necessary to authenticate to that source, and you'll save. Once that's been saved, it'll be listed in your evidence repositories where you'll have the ability to select it when performing acquisitions or performing interact sessions. You can employ this by going to the options, and underneath the options you have the ability to leverage your evidence repositories. I can then select from my drop-down menu. In addition to the evidence repositories is the cloud evidence systems that you might want to collect from. My example below already has an Amazon Web Services example where I've authenticated using my AWS account information. I can add another account by simply following the steps that are outlined within this particular section. I'll need to apply a set of permissions to my user account, which can then be copied from here and imported into your user account under the security and settings of your account in AWS. Or I can use this CloudFormations link, which will allow me to then follow the steps necessary to ultimately apply the proper settings to my account. Once I've got the account name, account key ID, and the secret key access, I can associate that with a particular organization and save that, at which point I'll then have it available to me inside of my cloud platforms list, allowing me to then enumerate out systems that come from that particular cloud platform. In the example I'm showing you now, under Blue Ridge Cyber, I've already enumerated out some systems from AWS that my account, craig.guymon, has access to. I have access to these 4 systems, allowing me to then deploy agents to those systems and subsequently collect information just like I would from a regular computer, just like I've been showing you in previous sections of this video. So the operations would be exactly the same from that point on.